Hello there everyone, welcome back to the Golang series, and in this video we are going to learn about loops in Go programming language. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so yeah, as I would like to tell you, in Go programming language we have only one type of loop. If you are having prior programming knowledge or coming from some other programming language, then you might know that we have for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Okay, so and in languages like Java, we have for each loop also. So, but in Go programming language, we have only one type of loop, which is a for loop. So using that for loop, like we'll be implementing while and do while loop as well in this video. So let's start. So I'll first import the package and import format. Yeah. So this is my main function and yeah, pretty much that. So the first type we are going to see is the normal for loop. Okay, normal for loop like we have in other programming languages. So the simple for loop, yeah. So the syntax would be like something for, and here we define the like initialize. So we can say I is equals to one, initialize I with one, and then here we second part we give the condition of basically a boolean statement. So I can say I is less than equals to 5 and then I plus plus. Okay. So what is this? Basically, if for the ones who are like new to programming, I would like to explain them. Basically, the structure is in something like this. Here you initialize, okay, and here you like provide the condition, okay, condition and condition, and here you provide the basically updation. Okay, you can say updating the value. So you basically this I plus plus means is nothing but I is equals to I plus one. You can write this as well. Okay, yeah. So I hope you have got what I'm trying to say. So let me remove this. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is like basically I'll run for loop from I equals to 1 to I is equals to 5, and I'll simply like print hello world. Okay. So I'll say hello world, and this would like basically print our hello world 5 times. Okay, as I is equals to 1, it will print for I equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 till this condition gets false. Okay, so like let's run this program and see. So I'll say go run yt.go. So as you can see, we have got hello world 5 times over here. Okay. Cool. So now let's see for loop, while loop, basically a while loop using for loop. How we are going to like implement while loop through using for loop. Okay, as in Golang we don't have while loop. So while loop using for loop. So yeah, as if you're coming from other language, you might know the syntax of while loop. It's similar to like this, like while, and here you provide the condition. Okay, so and inside this the is the statements that need to be executed when the condition is true, and also here comes the updation part. Okay, here you update the value. Okay, yeah, great. So we'll be implementing this. So let's see how we can implement this. Before that, like we need a simple this program that we implemented using for loop, in which we were like printing hello world 5 times. Simply we will be doing that also in this one. So I'm initializing I with 1, and then I'll say for, and I'll say like a condition, as the syntax of a while loop is like we need to pass the condition over there. I'll say I is less than okay, just a second. Yeah, I'll say I is less than equals to 5, and then like inside that I'll simply print our hello world. So I'll simply like print hello world. Okay, so yeah, and also we need to like update our value. So I can say I is equals to I plus 1, or you can simply write plus plus also. Okay, so yeah, cool. Like it's looking something similar to our while loop, where we provide our condition over here. So here goes our condition, and inside this will execute until our condition becomes like false. Okay, until a condition becomes false, this is going to like execute. Okay, so let's run this. Yeah, so you can see like we are getting hello world 5 times. So our program is working fine. Okay, so yeah, I hope you have got this. Okay, while loop. Now let's see how to write an infinite loop using for loop. Infinite loop using for loop. Okay, so that's very much simple. Simply you need to like provide this without any like you can say boolean statement. Okay, without any condition, and simply you can say format dot println, and here you can say hello world. So let's run this and see what happens. So this program is running infinite times. Okay, so let me, yeah, done. Okay, so this is how you can like write infinite loop using for loop. Now, what one loop is remaining is our do while loop. Okay, so do while loop using for loop. So as let's first of all let's see what is the syntax of do while loop. So yeah, do, and here we check the condition over here. Okay, so this is a simple syntax of a do while loop. It basically like first the execution of the body of the loop happens, and then the condition is checked. Okay, in a do while loop, whereas in a while loop, like first the condition is checked, and then the loop body is executed, as the similar cases for the for loop in other languages also. So like here we are going to implement this using like for loop. So let's see how we can do this. We can like simply open up the for loop. Okay. So yeah, like now I can print hello world, and now what the thing remains is our simple condition. Okay. So do part we have written. Okay. Do part is this, and now we need to write the condition. Like if you write the condition outside the for loop, so basically that does not make any sense, as this will become a infinite loop. So we need to provide the condition over here inside. Like first of all, like we need to initialize a variable I with I'm initializing it with 1, and we'll simply print hello world 5 times, as we have done in other loops as well. So here like goes our condition. Okay, so like if like I is greater than 5, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to break this loop. Okay, cool. So one thing is yet remaining is like we need to update the value as well. So I plus plus. Yeah, cool. So this is a simple implementation of a do while loop. I hope you got this. Okay, so let's run a program and see if everything is working fine. Yeah, so cool. Like our program is running fine. Okay. Yeah. So I hope like you understood all the loops that I explained in this video, and also like one thing is like missing is like in this video I have not covered is uh, basically iterating in a range. Okay, because I'm not covering that topic is I have not yet covered about like arrays in Golang. So please consider subscribing as I'll be bringing more videos on Go programming language so that you don't miss them. Okay. So next will be I think about arrays. I think yeah. So please consider subscribing so that you can get new videos. Okay, ठीक है. Let's meet in another video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.